everyone. In this video we will see what is Fibonacci series. A Fibonacci series is set of number where each number is sum of the previous two number. So first I will explain what is Fibonacci. A set of numbers where each number is sum of previous two number. For example, the expected output is 0 and 1. These are the first two number which starts with default. We have to mention the starting two value. Then the next number is 0 plus 1 is 1. The next number is sum of these two number, previous two number, 1 plus 1, 2. The next number is 1 plus 2, 3. The next number is 2 plus 3, 5. So now this plan will go like this. The series will go like this. 3 plus 5, 8. It will go like this. Now we will see how to write coding for this. First, I am getting the stop value from the user. Stop is a user defined variable where I am going to store the stop value. And equal to is the assignment operator where the right hand side values are going to be stored in the left hand side. Next, int is a predefined function where the value from the input function is going to be converted into integer. Input is a function which helps to receive the number from the user and it is going to be in the string pattern. So it is going to be converted into the integer using the int function. So now we know what purpose we are giving this statement. Next syntax is I am creating two values, num1 equivalent to 0, num2 equivalent to 1. These two are two values, starting values. 0 and 1 are the two starting values. Next I am creating one count iterating variable which is called as count equivalent to 0. Now I am going to print the first two values, print num1 comma end equal to space. I will explain you why we want to give this end, and if it is not given, what will be the output. We will see both the output now. Then now I am going for while loop to generate a series of number. While count is less than stop. Count is less than stop. What I am doing, result. I am creating one more variable called result. Num1 plus num2. I am adding those two values and storing in the variable called result. Now print result comma end equivalent to space. Then next what I am doing, I am preserving the last two values. So already I have 0 and 1. Now I added the 0 and 1 and stored in the result. Now I am displaying the result. So what it will display? This one is displayed. So now what I want to do, I want to eliminate this 0. I want to preserve these two values in order to calculate the next two number. Num1 equivalent to num2. What I am doing now? I am overwriting the num1 value using the num2 value. So this 0 will be overwritten by the 1. Next, num2 equivalent to result. What I am doing, I am entering the next value. Result value is 1. This 1 is going to be stored in the num2. So what happening? The last two values are preserved now. Next what I am doing, count equivalent to count plus 1. So already count value is 0. Now I am going to make it as a count plus 1. So count variable is incremented 1. Now 1 is going to be stored in the count. And the stop value, let me assume it as a 6. So it is 1 is obviously 6 than the lesser than the 6. So what happened? So again this loop is going to be executed. Once the loop was over, program completed. This line will execute. Now we will see the output. Then again I will come back to this program and explain once again. It is asking to save the file. I am saving it as Fibonacci series. Enter the number. I am storing 6. So what has happened? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Up to 13 it is print. So this program completed also came in the same line. Now I want to put this program in the next line. What I am doing? /n I am giving here. Now see the difference in the result. Again 6. The program completed comes in the next line. Now see here, because of this end equivalent to space, the next line result is going to be append in the first line itself. Because of this end equivalent to space, the output is going to be in the same line. Otherwise, the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 will be in the next line. Hope you will understand all those. Now, once again, I will explain this program. A Fibonacci series is a set of number and each number is the sum of previous two number. Stop is a variable used to store the end value. Equal to is the assignment operator used to store the right hand side value in the left hand side. Int is a type conversion function used to convert the string value. This number which user has entered is going to be in the string pattern that we are going to convert into integer and storing in the stop value. Input is a function used to get the value from the user. So this line over. In the next two line, I am declaring the first value and second value. Num1 equivalent to 0 is the first value. Num2 is the variable which holds the second value. Count is a counting variable, looping variable. Next, print num1. I am printing the 0 here, printing the 1 here. Then I am going for the loop in order to execute the following statements again and again till the stop value comes. I am putting in the loop. There are two loops are available. One is while loop, another one is for loop. In the while loop, I am using the count variable this side and it should be lesser than the stop value. Result equivalent to num1 plus num2. Num1 plus num2 means 0 plus 1. Result is going to hold the value of 1. Then I am printing this 1 now. So already 0 and 1 print here. Now the result value 1 print here. Next line, I am overwriting the num2 value in the num1 and num2 is going to be hold the result value. So these values are, these two lines will take care of the last two number to be preserved. Then I am incrementing the count variable in the 1. Now 1 comes here. When I am giving the stop value as a 6, 1 is less than the 6. So it is going repeated again and again. Hope this program has understood by you and we will see in the next video. Thank you students.